All right, guys, this is how you will join your 6th grade Google Classroom for your child to find that new form for Encore. Right now you're looking at my Miss Kerr's 5th grade Class 19-20. This is what your child's screen should look like. What you're going to do is you're going to want to go up to the left-hand corner and click on Miss Kerr's 5th grade Class 19-20. Oh, okay, we're going to click actually on the three little lines right here. And you're going to go to classes. And this should take you back to the screen where there's multiple classes. So your child, if they had a 4th grade Google Classroom, some of your kiddos might see my summer school class. What you're going to do is you're going to click this little create or join a class up here. And you're going to click join a class. And you're going to put in the class code. And the class code is in the directions that I sent you all. The class code is YZ5AUGD. And then you will click join. And now you are in your 6th grade 2020-2021 for Lewis and Clark, because your child is going to be a trailblazer, which is super, super, super exciting. They've already told you, woohoo, no work due soon, which is excellent. This is where you will find the 6th grade Encore enrollment sheet right here. It is a Google form. So you can either use your child's Chromebook to get on this. If you would like to do a Google Classroom yourself, either one works. And then to go back and forth, you will just go right back up here to this 3 lines tab. Click on classes again. And then you can go back to my class, and you can toggle back and forth between the two. So I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, please be sure to reach out to me. Thank you.